Hello and welcome to this sacred space of positivity and transformation. It is a joy to have you here as we align with the energy of abundance and gratitude. In life, it's easy to get caught up in worries and limitations, but remember, prosperity is your birthright, and the universe is always conspiring in your favor. Today, we will immerse ourselves in powerful affirmations designed to attract wealth, success, and abundance. These words carry a vibration that can shift your mindset and open the doors to endless opportunities. As you listen, repeat each affirmation with belief and feel the gratitude flow through you. Take a deep breath, center yourself, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. I am grateful for the limitless abundance that flows effortlessly into my life each day. Wealth and prosperity come to me in expected and unexpected ways, filling my heart with gratitude. I am surrounded by endless opportunities to create financial success and fulfillment. The universe supports me in every way, guiding me toward my highest potential. I trust in my ability to attract and receive wealth with ease and grace. I am grateful for the financial freedom that allows me to live life on my terms. Every step I take is leading me toward greater abundance and prosperity. I welcome success, prosperity, and opportunities into my life with open arms. My gratitude multiplies the wealth that comes to me, making my life richer every day. I am aligned with the frequency of abundance, and it flows to me effortlessly. New streams of income are opening up for me, bringing financial security and joy. I am grateful for the lessons that have shaped my journey toward financial success. Every action I take is infused with positive energy, bringing me closer to my financial goals. I radiate confidence and attract opportunities that align with my highest good. Prosperity is drawn to me because I appreciate and celebrate the wealth I already have. I am grateful for the financial wisdom that helps me grow and sustain my wealth. Money flows to me in endless ways, and I receive it with gratitude and responsibility. I attract financial abundance because I believe in my worth and limitless potential. The universe is always providing for me, and I am grateful for its infinite blessings. I am a magnet for abundance, and prosperity is my natural state. I trust that my dreams of wealth and success are manifesting right now. Every day, I wake up with a heart full of gratitude, knowing that prosperity is already mine. I am grateful for the opportunities that bring abundance into my life effortlessly. Wealth and success are reflections of my inner growth, and I embrace them fully. I honor my journey and trust that I am exactly where I need to be. I release any limiting beliefs about money and welcome unlimited prosperity. My financial success is inevitable, and I celebrate every milestone along the way. I am worthy of all the riches and abundance that come into my life. The energy of gratitude amplifies my prosperity and invites more wealth into my world. Every decision I make aligns me with financial success and security. I embrace a life of abundance, knowing that my wealth benefits not only me, but those around me. Each day, I step into my power and claim the prosperity that is meant for me. I am grateful for the financial stability that allows me to live with joy and generosity. The universe showers me with endless blessings, and I receive them with a thankful heart. I am always in the right place at the right time, attracting wealth with ease. I celebrate the financial freedom that allows me to explore and enjoy life fully. My thoughts are filled with gratitude and positivity, attracting prosperity to me. I welcome wealth into my life with an open heart and unwavering belief. Every challenge I overcome brings me closer to financial success. I am a creator of wealth and abundance, and I use my resources wisely. Opportunities for wealth appear before me in magical and unexpected ways. I am grateful for my ability to manage and grow my financial resources. Money is a tool that helps me fulfill my dreams and positively impact the world. I trust that my financial goals are achievable and within my reach. Each day I move forward with confidence, knowing that prosperity is my destiny. My mind is tuned to wealth-building thoughts and successful outcomes. I am grateful for the creative ideas that lead to financial prosperity. Every dollar I receive is a blessing, and I use it to create more abundance. I honor my talents and skills, knowing they contribute to my financial success. I am open to receiving infinite blessings from the universe. Wealth is drawn to me effortlessly, like a river that never runs dry. I am grateful for the freedom that financial abundance provides in my life. Each action I take is leading me to financial stability and success. My gratitude for what I have paves the way for even greater abundance. I trust that the universe is guiding me toward unlimited prosperity. I welcome new sources of income and financial growth into my life. Every financial setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. I am grateful for my resilience and ability to overcome financial challenges. Prosperity is a choice, and I choose to embrace it fully every day. I am worthy of all the success and abundance that comes my way. Money flows to me freely and abundantly from multiple sources. I appreciate and celebrate the financial success of others, knowing mine is also growing. Each moment presents a new opportunity to attract wealth and abundance. I am constantly evolving into a wealth-conscious, financially successful individual. Gratitude unlocks the doors to infinite prosperity in my life. Thank you for joining me on this journey of gratitude and manifestation. Every time you speak these affirmations, you strengthen your connection to abundance. Trust that what you desire is already on its way to you. Keep your heart open, your mindset positive, and continue believing in your limitless potential. If these affirmations resonated with you, share your favorite one in the comments below. Let's inspire and uplift each other on this path to abundance. Until next time, stay grateful and keep attracting prosperity into your life.